Hi, welcome back. I wanted to share with you my dried ornament that I painted. This is the one that I painted on top of acrylic paint pour that cracked and crazed with really deep crazing right in the center here. The video is posted on my YouTube channel, so you can see the before, and I will link it in the description box below. But this dried pretty well. It is not 100% flat, and I'm trying to get an angle so you can see. It's kind of hard to tell with this pattern especially, which is really awesome. But, oh, you can see right in here. It is a little ripply, which that's okay. I'm fine with that. And in here, I can see some deeper cracks and crazes that didn't get filled properly, but I'm okay with that because with this pattern and this design, it blends so well. You can't even tell. And I am super happy with how this turned out. I am going to be painting this top silver, and then once that dries, I'm going to be sealing this and probably keeping it forever because I'm in love with it. So I hope this helps. I hope that this has inspired you. Don't give up on any paintings that have cracked or crazed. You can still definitely try to give them a new life and kind of just embrace their personalities. So I hope this has helped you. Hope you have a good day, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.